What is up, guys? It's Tech Asian here, and this is the start of my new channel, so basically, during this whole 3 months, during the summer and during this COVID pandemic, it's starting to lift a little bit, but we're still trying to get through it. So I decided to create a YouTube channel to learn how to code throughout this whole summer. So I don't exactly know how to exactly code per se, or I'm trying to learn a different language. So we're gonna see how this goes. And uh, I just wanted, if you want to subscribe and come along for the adventure, that'd be really helpful. And I think I'm gonna go with Python, as it is the top language out there right now. So Python, and yeah, I mean, we're gonna start on June 1st and start hopefully doing daily uploads all throughout the whole summer and till the end of August when school starts back up. And if this channel does well, then I might keep on going. But yeah, see you guys next time.